In the meantime, the morning's biggest loser was British tour operator Thomas Cook, which saw its shares plummet 30% by mid-morning, hitting their lowest since July 2012 and on track for the biggest one-day drop since November 2011. Our city analyst downgraded the company's stock to sell after its latest profit warning on Thursday. Also hopes that the UK's two largest political parties can hash out a Brexit agreement have ended. Labour leader Jeremy Corbyn said that talks has gone as far as they can go, and his party will oppose Prime Minister Theresa May's Brexit proposal. Well, for more from the London market space, let's cross over now to our London studios with Juliana Olainka. Good morning, Juliana. So take us through the numbers for today, both in the equities and the currency markets, and of course, their major drivers. Good afternoon, actually.
Good afternoon, Chimmy. May I say, thank God it's Friday here as well. Now, the FTSE 100 opened down by 13 points in early trading, and it hasn't picked up just yet. Currently at 7,330 points, it's down 0.13%. The FTSE 250 also down 0.38%. And in currencies, the pound sterling is still sliding much lower. Against the US dollar, sterling is down again 0.33%. £1 will get you $1.27. The pound to euro exchange rate also down for the 10th day running today at 0.27%. £1 will get you €1.14, and also down on the Japanese yen by 0.48%. £1 will get you just short of 140 yen.
So what are the major topics in the week that is wrapping up today?
Okay, well, my colleague in Frankfurt there, Ashutosh, has gone through the major ones, which of course is Deliveroo and EasyJet. But also another story hitting the headlines is the retail bank Metro Bank, a relatively new bank. The business has managed to strengthen its balance sheets today after a fundraising call raised £375 million in just 3 hours. And now this fresh injection of funding is very good news for Metro and, of course, its customers, as a run of very bad headlines have led to rumours that basically their customers' money may be in trouble. The bank has been feeling the pressure from low interest rates, tough competition and regularity requirements, but this bailout is likely to increase confidence. A good story for Metro Bank there.
And what is the outlook for next week?
Well, next week, I've got to talk about Brexit. You just spoke about it. Yes, just earlier today, Jeremy Corbyn released a letter to Prime Minister Theresa May, basically saying they won't be supporting a deal no longer. That kind of doesn't matter because she will be taking it to lawmakers again on the 3rd of June when Donald Trump is going to be in the UK. Look, Brexit is bad news for everybody at the moment. The further there are delays, the further we see sterling fall. The Bank of England have warned several times that if we increase this delay, it's not great for the British economy. So Brexit is likely to pick up later in the week. And also another story very quickly, Chimmy, is about the premium British supermarket Waitrose, which is under the John Lewis partnership. Now it's seeking rapid expansion of its online business. Over the next 3 years, Waitrose want to tap into the rapid online revenue growth by turning over $1 billion annually. Of course, we've seen, and I think I spoke to you about it earlier this week, that the British High Street is basically dying. We've seen that with losses in Boots, Debenhams, House of Fraser. Waitrose does face tough competition from Marks and Spencer's, but let's see what the sentiment of the market says about that next week.
Sure. We'll keep an eye on those developments and probably talk more about them next week. Thank you, Juliana, and enjoy the weekend.